turn is a clinical test where the subject has to make 2 or more forward steps and then turn by 180 degrees. After the turn, the subject walks back to the starting point. The quickness of the act of turning can vary according to the specific assessment goals, but most commonly, you will require a brisk tempo. Based on the ground reaction force, the software calculates the time needed to execute the turn and the sway characteristics of the turn. Enter the Turn Test module from the main window by clicking on the Turn button. Make sure you have acquired the subject's body weight beforehand. As with the organization of all the MARS test modules, the interface is divided into a left setup panel, a right analysis panel, a bottom measurement panel, and a central signals and results area. Before starting the measurement, appropriate input parameters must be determined in the setup panel. These are gait type, where you can choose between walking and running, side, where you can choose between turning on the left leg or turning on the right leg, and finally, select the type of footwear, where you can choose among barefoot, running shoes, walking shoes, or high heels. To start with a measurement, click on the New Measurement button. After launching the test module and clicking New Measurement, initialization and offset takes place. During this time, the subject should not be on the force plate. If necessary, the measurement mode can be cancelled by pressing the Cancel button. Before starting with the measurement, the subject must assume an appropriate initial position, that is, standing at least 2 steps in front of the plate. The goal of the task is to turn on one leg on the force plate. It is crucial to take at least 2 steps before turning in order to get the most accurate measurement. Initiate the measurement by clicking the Start button. The end of the task occurs when the subject makes the turn and is no longer in contact with the force plate. The measurement stops automatically after completing the task. It can also be stopped manually by clicking the Stop button in the lower panel. The measurement can be repeated by clicking on New Measurement, thus not saving the previous repetition. If you are satisfied with the measurement, you can save it. The central window displays the COP of the task. The ground reaction force signal measured by the force plate is displayed under the Signals tab. The data from the analysis can be viewed under the Results Table tab. A more thorough description of the parameters can be accessed by right-clicking on the parameter name. Options for displaying specific sets of parameters can be accessed under the Parameters View menu in the right panel. For more information on this topic, please refer to Tutorial 7.